Hello, welcome to My Low Country Living. My name is Tommy Ray. I live in Charleston, South Carolina, which we affectionately like to call the Low Country. Today I'm going to discuss how to make homemade vanilla extract. Now, vanilla extract is something we all like to use when in baking, but it can be so expensive. Even just going to the store and buying a normal name brand vanilla extract can run up to $4 per ounce. And when you go and buy a boutique vanilla extract, sometimes they can cost you up to $7 or $8 per ounce. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade vanilla extract that I make for less than $3 per ounce. What we're going to do first is we're going to take a vanilla bean, we're going to add vodka, and create our vanilla extract. Making homemade vanilla is really easy. We just like to take one vanilla bean right here, and we go ahead and slice the vanilla bean, turn it inside out, put it into a jar, a mason jar, and then add 2 ounces of vodka or any hard alcohol that you like. A lot of people like to use vodka or rum or even bourbon, as long as it's over 80 proof. Now first we'll go ahead and slice up the bean. I like to buy my beans online. I pay $59 for 25 beans, so it's a pretty good deal there. You can go to your spice stores and buy vanilla beans, and sometimes you can get them for $3 or $4 a bean. Now buying them bulk allows you to get them a lot cheaper. Now you see right there we have all that the yummy beans are inside that vanilla. And what we do is we go ahead and take the vanilla bean, turn it inside out, and then we add it to our mason jar. And as I mentioned, I like to put in 1 vanilla bean per 2 ounces of vodka. I've already gone ahead and added the other vanilla beans here. In this mason jar, I'm going to fill it up to the 12-ounce line, so I have 6 vanilla beans in there right now. And we just go ahead and take any vodka. I prefer to buy just a regular quality vodka. If you're going to spend a lot of money on anything in this, you want to spend money on high quality vanilla beans. The vodka, this is $15 for 1.75 liters, so that comes out to less than $2.50 per ounce. And just go ahead and fill it up to that 12-ounce line. Again, mason jars are great because they're already pre-marked. I have 12 ounces right there. And then we go ahead and get a lid, put your lid on, shake it up, and store it in a cool, dry place for 30 days or longer. After 30 days, you'll have vanilla extract, the nice, beautiful coloring to it. You just want to go ahead and shake it up before you use it. Open it up and use it and measure it like you would in any recipe that you normally have. It's going to go ahead and measure the exactly same way that you do for store-bought vanilla, only at a fraction of the cost.